you shoot all those people, Frank?
Tonight, the man accused of committing Tuesday's subway shooting rampage behind bars, but the incident still reverberating across New York City's subway lines.
A group of people dressed in neon green bodysuits attacking and robbing two teenage girls on the subway.
While on the subway. Police say they rushed to 42nd Street Station around 9:30 tonight. This is a victim was taken to the hospital so far.
Snake, professional nose wipers. Real snake, concrete hole swipers. Yes. Real snake, professional nose wipers.
I got some money for you.
Real snake, concrete hole swipers.
Bro. Real ass nigga. Hop this shit and open the fucking gate for me, nigga.
Wigs that be like my name Cody. Stop it, little nigga, you know me. Half of the time these niggas be fried. Talk out your ass, you dying. Really too rich.
Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Wizzy AK back in with another video, and today we about to be living in a train station for 24 hours, man. Come on, look at me, man. But here's the thing about living in a train station. If you from New York, you know it's a couple rules you gotta face. Alright, so before the video starts, I'm gonna ask my fellow New Yorkers how they feel about the train station. Let's get it. Yo, what's the craziest thing you ever seen on the New York City train station?
I don't even know. I don't even know.
It gets crazy, right?
Yeah.
You think it's safe for me to stay there for 24 hours just on the train?
Nah.
It's not safe?
Nah.
Shit, I'm trying to tell y'all, but I'm still gonna do it for y'all. Yo, what's the craziest shit you seen on the train station?
The craziest shit I saw at the train station, I ain't gonna cap.
I seen a homeless person throw up.
Damn. How about you?
I saw a homeless person take a shit in the bucket.
Oh, nah.
That's crazy.
And you just sat there and watch it? Rule number 1, pull up. Don't be like him. Pull up. Don't come here and take out money. Cause the same second you leaving this place, your money is leaving with whoever is over here. If I was over here and I see somebody over here taking money, I'm gonna pull up like this, run your pocket, nigga. Word. Rule number 1, pull up. Rule number 2. Rule number 2. What's rule number 2? What's rule number 2? What's rule number 2? Go downstairs for rule number 2. Okay, rule number 2 is never make eye contact with no nigga that look like a serial killer. What? If you're on a train, you see some shit like that, you mind your business. You mind your business. What's good, my brother? I fuck with the vibe. You know what I'm saying? That your word, bro. Yo, bro, I'm here for 24 hours. I have no crib. I'm locked out for 24 hours, and I have to be outside and be on a train station for 24 hours. Yeah. Huh? For YouTube. Yeah. Yes, sir. So. Like 5 minutes. I'm trying to tell you. I got 23 more hours. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. I mean, I could eat only food in the train station. So yeah. Bathroom? I get a bucket.
Gatorade bottle.
Yeah. I mean, at night, I think I could just go outside to the. Feel me? Yep. If I feel like sleeping, from share terms with him. You know what I'm saying? Exactly. Type shit. What's the wildest thing you ever seen on the train station?
The Chucky.
Little Chucky?
Yeah, like the person that's dressed up as Chucky.
You see that?
Yeah, and he attacks you on the train.
Like really attack you or like fake attack you?
No, like really attack you. Like you can look it up. There's like videos. He's like dresses as Chucky and he'll just like come at you. Yeah.
How tall is the Chucky thing?
Short, like it's a little person.
I will kick that motherfucker like this.
Yeah, but
You wanna know the wildest shit I seen?
What?
I seen 2 homeless niggas beating up their meat. Yo, that's next level, son. Nah, word. Yo, Yo, do y'all know where I'm at? Yo, I don't even know where we at. I'm just talking my way out of this now. This is crazy. But I miss it. It was nice talking to you. Yo, where are we? Where are we, bro? How did we get here? I think we need to find a stop that we can transfer and come back. Yo, you trying to answer some question for some bread? I got some money for you. Nah, he got too much money for us. He said no, thank you. Alright, damn. I was gonna bless him with some money. I guess not.
That's the negativity.
Exactly, my brother. I'm trying to tell him. Exactly, my brother. Something positive and they take it as negative. You know what I'm saying?
That's good. That shit hurts them to be honest.
Exactly.
Attention everyone, the escalators at the end of the platform. We have 4 escalators.
Alright, y'all, for sure. Rule number 3, y'all. Never go to sleep on a train.
Grand Central, 42nd Street.
Especially if you're not from New York. Only my New Yorkers can go to sleep and wake up or stop before it's time for them to get up. Only a real New York, because these senses, it's like your Spider-Man senses type shit. You feel what I'm saying? Oh, it's my stop. I get up. So yeah, rule number 3. So rule number 4. I think that's all the rules we need to survive for 24 hours. Nah, if you see a nigga with a shy sleep, mind your business. If you see a nigga with a fanny pack, mind your business. If you see me, mind your business. Cause I got that gang on, you know what I'm saying? Rule number 6. If you see niggas on a train performing, showtime.
Because tonight will be the night that I will fall for you over again. Don't make me change my mind. I won't live to see another
Rule number 6. Never try to talk to a shorty on a train. Yo, you look mad familiar. Where I see you from? You sure? You positive? Because at that point, bro, you was just bugging straight up. I'm gonna show y'all how to do this the right way. See, most people, they come here, right? They come here and they do this. They swipe a yellow card or some bullshit. Niggas like me, oh, that shit just closed. But guess what? Why I ain't grabbed it?
No, why he ain't grabbed it?
Why he ain't grabbed it?
Why you ain't grabbed it?
Why you ain't grabbed it?
It's crazy.
That's crazy. You be losing me, bro. Now we gotta go back to the NYC Olympic. Before you do this, you gotta stretch, then, right, deep. Pull up, bro. Pull up. Pull up. I don't feel like stretching my leg. Pull up. Run this for me. Come here, nigga. Yo, run. Come here, you frail ass nigga. Come here, nigga. Frail ass nigga. Hop this shit and open the fucking gate for me, nigga. Good. Argentina. Yeah. Yes, sir. Like I said, I told my little homie to open the fucking door for me, and little homie opened the door. Like I said, that's rule number 1. Never swipe your card. I bet. Keep walking.
Because tonight will be the night that I will fall for you over again. Don't make me change my mind. I won't live to see another day. I swear it.
Rule number 7, don't ever do that. The crack is on. There's a lot of weird shit, man. But what? Rule number 7, don't do that. Whatever I just did, don't do that. What the fuck did I do? Was I dancing? Bro, you saw what I was doing?
Nah, I was even looking, bro.
I was tweaking, bro. She was up something, and I got off the same shit she was off. Yeah, bro. The fuck? Nah, but that nigga tweaking, bro. I thought he was about to ride my goofy ass. Yo, black people just looking at me, they probably like, yo, look at this fucking thug. Nigga, I don't got no belt, bro. My pants keep.
Nah.
Exactly. Do you want to die? Do you want to die, bro?
We should take the 7 train.
7 train where?
So please go across. Oh, we could take the train to the
Train to the Chinitas. The Chinitas is outside.
Express. Yeah, the
Chinitas.
So we out?
We doing Chinitas?
Yeah,
Chinitas.
Chinitas and then I...
Loca. Yo, they probably violating my life, bro. I don't even know.
Afterwards, you gotta eat tacos after you kill, or before you kill.
He lost me, bro. This nigga's talking about paying for pussy, bro. He lost me. Right now, we on the 7 train. Yo, we been on the A, B, F, 7, every train, nigga. And it's like the end of the day. And it's crazy. I gotta chill out. That's a big black man in America. I think I scare a lot of people at night. And this is the stereotype that we do not talk about. A lot of people are scared of me at night, like I'm about to rob them or something. What do I look? Do I look like a fucking thug to y'all? Look at me. Do I look like a fucking thug to y'all? So, this is the end of the video. Now we about to eat some food, bro. We spent 24 hours in them long, dangerous trenches as de malela. Yeah, but I need to start hanging around with this Mexican ass nigga, bro. Let's talk business.
W.R. Alvarez, man. W.R. Alvarez.
Look, I'm going shopping for you right now.
What's the disco, yo? Spam the disco, chat.
You talking about?
I need some seafood. I need some lobster. I need some crab legs.
Crab legs? Come on, that's light. Excuse me. Do you know where to sell the extra small condoms at?
Go ahead, go.
Huh? I got it.
Look.
2 dicks is a threesome. That's not a trick.
Yeah. I was eating ass while she was pissing.
These niggas fingers cramped up, tired when I count these figures. Sipping Chris clean codeine, fucking up my spleen. Bitch tweaking, almost passed out off of 2 beans.